Hello, origami enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the enchanting world of origami, a traditional Japanese art form that involves folding paper into intricate and beautiful shapes. This art form has a rich and storied history, dating back to the 7th century when it was first introduced to Japan. Over the centuries, origami has evolved and transformed, becoming the beloved art form we know today. The term origami is derived from the Japanese words ori, meaning folding, and kami, meaning paper. This simple yet profound practice has captivated the hearts and minds of people all over the world. Origami is not just about creating stunning designs, it is also about the meditative and mindful process of folding paper. Each fold requires focus and precision, making it a wonderful way to practice mindfulness and reduce stress. One of the most beautiful aspects of origami is its accessibility. All you need is a piece of paper and a bit of patience. From the simplest folds to the most complex designs, there is something for everyone in the world of origami. Whether you are a seasoned origami artist or just starting out, the journey of folding paper can be incredibly rewarding. Origami also has a significant cultural impact. It is often used in ceremonies and celebrations in Japan, symbolizing various aspects of life and nature. For example, the crane is a symbol of peace and longevity, and it is believed that folding 1,000 paper cranes can grant a wish. In addition to its cultural significance, origami has practical applications in modern science and engineering. Researchers have used origami principles to design everything from medical devices to space structures. The art of folding paper has inspired innovative solutions to complex problems, demonstrating the profound impact of this ancient practice. So, as you embark on your origami journey, remember to enjoy each fold and appreciate the beauty of this timeless art form. Take your time, be patient with yourself, and let the process bring you peace and joy. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more origami content. Until next time, happy folding!